Thank you guys for joining. Today we're going to talk about, and I'm going to show you how to manually add data to your table in PHP and MyAdmin. But first things first, make sure you like and subscribe to this channel so you can keep getting these tutorials, and leave us a comment in the comment section if there's something you would like us to cover. So in order to add data to your table manually, we'll first make sure that you have the database selected and the table selected. And as you can see at the top here, the message reads that it's an empty result, meaning there's no data for this table, which is no problem because we're going to manually input it this way. Once you reach here, go ahead and click Insert, which will bring you to this form. Now this form, it will bring you to this form. As you can see in the previous video, we created 4 columns: ID, user, password, and date. We're going to go ahead and fill out those columns. And then once we finish, it's going to generate or auto-populate the information. Now, for the very first one, ID, we're going to leave that alone because that is auto-incremented. For the next one, we're going to name this user. We'll give it a simple name, Sally. For this section, password, we're going to keep it simple and actually name it password. I do not recommend you do this. Make sure you use better passwords to protect your data, but for this example, we'll keep it simple. And for the date, we'll go ahead and make it the 1st of May. Once you're finished, you're given the option to process the information or add more data. For this example, let's add more data so we can see what it looks like. So once you get here, click off ignore. Again, we're going to ignore this ID section. And for this person, we'll name Mary. And for password, we'll do password 1. And then we will make the date the day afterwards, which is May 2nd. And once you're finished here, you can go ahead and click go. Now it may take a few seconds, as you can see, but now you have data that's been imported into your table. Just to point out here, this is a query that you are able to use in MySQL databases. You can just copy, paste if you want to use the same exact information or use this as a baseline. And as you can see at the message at the top, it also lets us know the rows were inserted. Now, once you're done adding information, you can click Browse, and it will bring you back to your table. Now, here you're able to not only view your information and data, but you can also delete, edit, or copy. So let's say you want to copy a particular row, but this is how you manually input data into your table. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe to this channel so you can keep getting notifications when new videos drop. We'll be back next week with a new video. We'll see you then.